Hey guys, very good evening. This is Sandy from Sunday Page. So after a long gap, almost like close to 1 week, I was not posting any video and I was not uploading. So today I got a time. So almost like 11:54 right now, 11th June. So it's going to be next day as soon as possible within 6 minutes. Okay. This is my YouTube channel. So this is my Telegram link, Facebook link, and as well as email ID for course inquiries, all the things. So before going to the video, just subscribe my channel for more updates and more fresh updates for profit booking strategies too. Okay, today we're going to see a general topic where it's based on human psychology as well as the emotions and should not be greedy. That's very important. Okay, the topic is about why your entry was hitting the stop loss first, then going to the target next. That's the concept of this video. So suppose if you're putting a if you're doing an entry, if you're doing a script, so automatically it's our stop loss, then it goes to the target. So it happens almost like 8 out of 20 times or 8 out of 10 times it happens like this for a beginner perspective. So thing is like you need to focus a lot based on that. So let's move the video. Okay, the thing is like how to avoid this. See, today the Sensex is negative, Nifty is negative, and as well as Bank Nifty is also negative. So all the three areas are negative, especially the Sensex and Nifty are negative. So when the market is in Nifty, when the market is in negative side, so you have to be in the same market direction. That is, you have to be in the short selling side. That's why you have to be in selling side. You should not be in the buy side for a safety purpose. So if Nifty gives sell side almost like more than 2%, so automatically out of 50 stocks, you can expect at least 35 to 40 stocks should be in the sell side. That's what you have to be in the market direction in order to avoid your loss. Okay. So why your stop loss hitting first, then goes to target? Reason is like there are many reasons. One is like you put your stop loss near your entry price. For example, the entry is like 150 rupees, the buy side. So stop loss would be like 149 or 140, 149.50, all the things. These are kind of things. So always keep your stop loss at least 1:2. If you're keeping stop loss as 2 rupees and target would be like 4 rupees, that is 1:2, all the things. So always try to keep stop loss at least 1:2. If you're keeping crude oil for 10 rupees as a stop loss, keep the 20 rupees as a target. Okay, that is 1:2 side. And thing is like always try to be on the market side. If market goes negative, you have to be in that direction in order to avoid your sell, in order to avoid your loss. Losses, because loss is a part of trading. We can't stop that, but we can minimize it. We can minimize the loss. Okay. See, today I gave this call Hero Motor. I given the sell side as well as buy side. The buy side doesn't trigger, and the sell side the market gives almost like 20 points. See, to sell below 2,320 and buy is 2,336. This is my Telegram channel, 2,336. See, almost the market is like doesn't move up. 2,336 doesn't went there. So once it breaks 2,320, almost the low was the least low was 2,300. It almost gives 20 points. And given the target is 20 points. So thing is like when the market is in sell side, you have to be in the sell direction. That's very, very important. That's what. Always try to keep the stop loss as well as target. That's very, very important. 1:2 or 1:1. That's depend on you. That's depends on your choice. So thing is like because equity is almost like we have just 6 or 15 minutes as a market. So the thing is like we have very, very short trading hours. So the fluctuation will be very, very high. After 1 p.m. or after like from 9:15 to 9:45 would be fluctuation will be very high. So try to keep the stop loss as well as target. So thing is like simultaneously go for it. Sometimes the bracket order is available. See, if a bracket order is available because I'm going for a sell, the intraday due to heavy fluctuation, the bracket order has been blocked. The bracket order has been blocked some of the days, and some of the brokerage firms also. Thing is like the bracket order is blocked. Thing is like in bracket order you can fix the target, stop loss, everything you can fix it. See, CNC, that is a regular MAS, bracket order C. You can fix everything, the target, stop loss, trailing stop loss, everything you can fix it at a single stretch. So always try to prefer, that's I'm repeating, like try to, the stop loss is like limiting your loss. That's what we are quoting as stop loss. So try to minimize your loss. That's what, for best example is Hero Honda. The Nifty is negative side, so the sell has triggered, buy hasn't triggered, sell has been triggered and given almost 20 points as a target for one lot. So thing is like, this is very important, because we should not be very greedy, because we should not, the greedy in the sense like we should not fix a long target. Suppose the market is going almost like some 40 points or 50 points, you should not keep the target as 30 points. Try to minimize the target as 15 to 18 points or 12 to 18 points. Try to minimize the target. Always don't try to cover all the 40 or 45 points which a Hero Honda gives in a day. You should not cover all the 40 points. Nobody can cover all the 40 points. Try to cover at least 12 to 15 or 18 points minimum, for example, because based on the scripts. So keep the stop loss at a 1:2 or 1:1, depends on your choice, and but always try to cover at least 0.5 to 0.7% as a target. Don't go beyond that. That's very, very important. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. So you should not be greedy. This is what, because why, the thing is like, once you enter is triggered, so first enter and hit the stop loss, then you go for the target. The reason is that this thing, you are in opposite direction, probably you are in the opposite direction, one thing, otherwise you can you kept your stop loss very, very near, otherwise your target would be very, very high, very far. So these are the reasons only your stop loss is hitting. And moreover, the most important thing is like, you need to predict the market. If the Nifty goes negative, so you have to be in the very, very conscious that you have to be in the short selling side, and that's very, very important. So always fix the target as a stop loss in a single stretch, place your order. So this is what I just want to say. So if you like this video, please subscribe it, and for more updates, if you have any doubts, please comment it. And coming weekend I'm starting a new batch for the students, and if anyone is interested to earn profits, if you want anyone interested to earn daily 1,500 rupees as a profit, you can ping me. I'm ready to guide you. So stay safe, and keep watching my videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.